If someone is involved in a construction accident, when is the best time to hire an attorney? And the answer is get your attorney involved as early as possible. Most people don't call me to look into their construction accident case. What happens is somebody calls me on the phone in a typical case and says they were injured at work and they come in for a workers' comp appointment. We talk to them, set up the workers' compensation claim, try to make sure they're seeing the correct doctors in order to treat their workers' comp claim, and then we talk to them about what benefits are available under the workers' compensation claim. And as we're listening to the investigation, we find out that this was a construction accident and the fault of the accident involves sometimes the employer and sometimes a third party, the general contractor, an employee of a subcontractor. So in order to protect that individual's legal rights, we do several things. First of all, we file a request for OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, to do their own independent investigation in how the accident happened. Second of all, if that OSHA report comes up with a violation, we file something called a VSSR claim, which is called a violation of a specific safety requirement under the workers' compensation claim, where this way at the state level they do an independent investigation of all the witnesses and the fact pattern, and that helps us in trying to make the claim against the third party responsible in the construction accident. The third thing we do is to hire an independent expert in the area of expertise of the type of accident. So for example, if it's a machine that did not have a safety guard, we try to hire a mechanical engineer. If it's an electrical injury, we try to hire an electrical engineer. And if it's a type of situation where we need an accident reconstructionist, we hire that type of expert. If it's a fall from somebody high up, we hire an OSHA expert that deals with scaffolds or forklifts or what the specific injury is. The important thing is to get the attorney as early as possible, to have the correct photos, the correct investigation, hire the correct experts in order to protect your legal rights.